Do not withhold good from those who deserve it when it's in your power to help them. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 27. Hello beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Trust you're doing so well and you're taking very good care of yourself. Let's make some juicy oven grilled tilapia. Definitely a hit. Let's go. I'll start off by cleaning and cutting my tilapia, and I'm gonna cut off the unwanted gills and also wash it thoroughly with water and lime juice. It's looking so fresh and clean, and it's ready to receive the marinade, right? So the next step that I like to do is to tap my fish dry, because all that you want this fish to receive is nothing but the marinade. Just in case you are wondering what we will be marinating this fish with, I chose these few vegetables that I will list everything down below in the description box, okay? And yes, these were just so good, and the star or the secret ingredient that added lots of flavor to this was my Suya powder. So please do well to check that recipe out. I'll link it right here, okay? So in my frying pan, I'll add a little bit of olive oil. I divide it into two, and then go in with my onions and add all the vegetables that I have on board, okay? So all that I will be doing is to stir fry my veggies for about 3 minutes and add my shrimp powder. That is the Maggi shrimp powder. It's really simple, and let me tell you, once you're done with it, you're going to taste the best grilled tilapia ever. So family, after stir frying all the veggies for 5 minutes, it is ready, and I'm going to blend it. It's not too many, so I'm going to use my hand blender to just blend everything up. It is just so yummy. Smells so good. Tasted absolutely yummy. So I'm going ahead and add the final ingredient, which is the salt and my Suya powder. This brings that extreme delicious flavor, and after that, all that is left is for me to put everything. Just be generous, okay? When you are grilling tilapia, be sure to be generous with your marinade. For even best and greater results, you can't just put it back in the fridge for at least an hour or two. But I was so much in hurry, I just couldn't wait, so I went ahead to grill it right away. So yum, fam. You just can't believe it. These golden babies are ready for the oven. I grill it on each side for 20 minutes, so in total it was 40 minutes in the oven at 175 degrees. Yes, fam, so good. So the upper part has been grilled very well, so it's now time for me to flip. Make sure that both sides have the same amount of treatment, and let me tell you, after 20 more minutes this tilapia will be ready. But before that, I went ahead to fry some yam, y'all. Hubby requested for some yam chips with this tilapia, and it was just the bomb. It was so good. But I also wanted to pair it with some fancy kinky, fancy dokuno. Anything goes, you know, you can do the most with this tilapia. So it was a battle between the fancy kinky and the fried yam chips. Okay, so it was so good at the end. Very simple, but yet it was so delicious. So right now, all that I have to do after this garnishing is to sprinkle a little bit of the suya powder for just the perfect touch, fam. It is just the best way to grill your tilapia. Absolutely awesome. Fam, this grilled tilapia was so good. Let me know in the comment section, would you have preferred to pair it with the yam chips or your fancy kinky? Because both of them were just so good. It was really hard to choose, and at the end of the day, hubby took some of my fancy kinky. I also took some of his yam chips, and yeah, it's called balance. It was such a great lunch that we have. Thank you so much, family, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, it really helps this channel. Don't be stingy with the like. Please like this video. Okay. Thank you so much once again for watching, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch, and my main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and let's just share ideas together. I love to get interactive with you, so please don't forget to comment down below as well. Okay, thank you once again for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video. Take care.